Well, hello again. Welcome to the Anti-Aging Show with Allie at Be Blissful. I'm Allie, an animal loving influencer and anti-aging addict. So I have a question for you. Have you ever tried a teeth whitening system that really caused extreme sensitivity? I know I have, and it is my biggest gripe about them. So I've been on the hunt for one that does not cause increased sensitivity, because clearly I need my teeth to be white, and most people like their teeth to be white. And obviously as we age, right, our teeth tend to like change colors. So I am so excited to share with you guys that I have partnered up with an amazing company. It's a woman-owned company. It's a woman. She is a mom. She is a wife. It is a small business, but she has developed a tooth whitening system that has zero sensitivity, like zero sensitivity. And I am so excited to share it with you and honored to share it with you. It's called Eternal, and it's a teeth whitening kit, and it is so adorable. When you open it up, right, you get all these good, whoop, that just fell, don't worry about it, but I'll walk you through it, right? So it has 3 whitening gels in it, but this is your winner chicken dinner. And oh, good, Barbara, I will text you back. I just haven't had a chance yet. This is your winner chicken dinner, because this is the sensitivity gel. This has 2 different power chargers in it. You can charge the wireless light either in this container or the actual container. So it has 2 chargers in here, but I'm going to show you. This is part of the lack of sensitivity part of it, as well as like the gel. So what you do is you use the whitening gel, and you open this up, right? You put the gel on your teeth, super easy if you've never done these before, and you just click this little button one time, right? The blue light is to whiten your teeth, and once you click that button, you just put it in your mouth, and it is going to automatically go off in 16 minutes. Other ones that I've used have been like, do it twice for 11 minutes. No, this is just once, 16 minutes. Then when you're done, you just rinse out your mouth, rinse this out, put that sensitivity gel on, and you want to click this twice, and you're gonna get a red light, and this is the sensitivity part. So you put this in, it will automatically go off in 16 minutes, and that gets rid of all of your sensitivity. If you are in a super big hurry and you just need to get both of them done as fast as possible, check this out. Ready? This is a blue and a red light all at once. So you would just put the teeth whitening gel on and use this, and it'll go off in 16 minutes. You are gonna absolutely get some reduced sensitivity with that, but if you need like true sensitivity reduction, you wanna do the blue and then come back into the red, right? But super easy, and it charges right here. I am so excited about this. You want to start with doing it just for 5 days in a row, and hopefully you've got the results that you want by then. If not, keep doing it daily. But once you get the results that you are looking for, you just do it once a week after that. And you can order, once you have this part, right, the initial packet, you just reorder the whitening pens and the sensitivity pins as you need them. And here is one of the best parts, you guys. I'm gonna save you 40%. So when I get off, I am going to put my code, which is Allie, ALI 40 for 40%, and put the link in. So every time that you order one of these kits or any one of these refill pens, you're gonna save 40%. I am so excited about this. So go grab yours. We can do this together. I'm going to post pictures, and I am so excited about this because I have been looking so hard for something for this. And be on the lookout. I have more partnerships coming. Super excited about them, and I will let you guys know. But all about being you, spreading joy, and getting rid of the anti-aging battle. We're going to tackle it together. All right, love you guys. See you later.